In this video, I would like to show you how to solve one-step equation. It's something like 5x equals 10, x divided by 5 equals 10, and x plus 5 equals 10. And then they ask you to solve. In math, when they ask you to solve, it means find the value of x. So how do we find x here? I'll just do it first, and then I'll explain why and how. So how do we do this? 5x equals 10. We'll divide this by 5, and we'll divide this by 5. Now 5 divided by 5 is 1, so it's just 1x, so we cancel that. Now we have x equal. On this side, we have 10 divided by 5, so it's 2. Now, why did we divide? The answer is we always do the opposite in such questions. But to make it make sense, 5x equals 10. Think of it like 5 kilos of apples cost $10. How much will 1 kilo cost? So if 5 kilos cost 10, that means 1 kilo will cost 2. So that's why you need to divide the money you paid for the 5 kilos by how many kilos are there, which is 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now, from now on, the rule is we will do the opposite. So if it's 5x, it's 5 times x, so we divide. Now look at the next question here. X divided by 5 is 10. What do we want? What are we looking for? We are looking for x. What's the relationship between this x and 5? It's division, so we do the opposite of division. We multiply and we multiply. These will always cancel. So you will end up by having x equal 10 times 5, which is 50. So what do? We do the opposite. From now on, just do the opposite in such questions. Now let's do these two. 10 plus 5 equals 10. Is it plus? Yes, plus. So do the opposite of plus. So it's minus. Cancel the 5's. X equals 10 minus 5, which is 5. X minus 5 equals 10. Oh, minus, we do the opposite. Do plus. Plus 5. Plus 5. Cancelled. So x equals 10 plus 5, which is 15. Now, was it easy? Did you manage to get this? Now, if the question was, let me just change the color. If the question was 2x equal, for example, 500. Oh, it's 2x, it means 2 times x. So we divide by 2. We divide by 2. So x equals 500 divided by 2. It's a half of 500. If you don't know that, think of half of 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25, and then plug a nice 0 here, so it's 250. Now let's have another example. What if it was 11 or x divided by 11 equals 3? Oh, division? Yes. So we do the opposite, times 3, times 11, I mean. Times 11, cancel, so x equal 3 times 11, which is 33. And that's it. This is it, nothing else. They can just give you strange numbers or whatever, then the calculator must be allowed, or you should use your mental math. Let's look at the example here. If they say 2.5x or k or whatever letter, it's alright, equals 10. Find x. 2.5x means 2.5 times x, so I'll just divide. I'll do the opposite. Oh gosh, this is a horrible 2.5, but it's okay. So divide by 2.5, divide by 2.5, right? So x equal 10 divided by 2.5. You will use the calculator here, and it will give you 4. But if you don't know, or if it's not calculator allowed, how do you do 10 divided by 2.5? We need to get rid of this decimal, so we'll multiply by 10, and we multiply here by 10. So it's just going to be 100 divided by 25, which is 4. There is a whole video explaining this, so you can follow that. Now please look at the description. You will find some worksheet. That's your homework. Yeah, since you get to this point, you need to do the homework. Do your homework, and if you have a question, please ask in the comments. Thank you for following. Bye.